when they give account of their stewardship in a manner where we make the people them feel free to ask questions, for put the programs them where government don't roll out to the test, and ensure that at the end of the day, we'll come out better as a nation. So to me, from the time when they don't elect me president, it is not an issue of APC or SLPP or BMDC. The issue na Sierra Leone. And they don't elect me as president of a political party or a region. They elect me as president of Sierra Leone. And I'm committed for carry on with that mandate. That is why amongst the other issues, we say now we get the open governance initiative, wherein we will endeavor for make communication between the arms of government will be enhanced, will be transparent, and also take the government out to the people. Let there be an engagement between the people and the government, so that at the end of the day, the people initiative will be reflected in government policies, and the execution of government policies, the people will participate in it.